Balik na ng duty guys. Nandito ako. Nahanap niya ako guys. Ang laki ng regalo niya guys. Oh. Magki-Christmas na daw guys. Agang pamasko niya guys. Maagang pamasko. Maagang pamasko si Lola. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wala pa kaming sahod. Si hi. Ayan lang.
Hi, everybody, hi.
Yan guys, mga staff sa market kung saan ako nag-duty guys. So, diba guys? Ayan pa guys. May parating pa guys. Ayan guys. Kaya init sila. Ayan siya guys. Oh, diba guys? Oh. Oh, diba guys? Oh. Masaya sila guys. Ayan pa guys, oh. Ay. So inte. Ayan sila guys.
Bye bye, I love you. Hi baby.
Baby daw guys. Ha, Bakor.
Boy.
There na you put. You know, say hi, say hi.
Yeah.
Oh, ano yun? Ano yun? Parang may aso? Ulitin mo nga, harap ka dito. Baka may nalunok ang aso dyan.
Parang may ano talaga siya. Makakatigas na pa. Wala, kumaintindihan.
Sige na guys, papasok na kami sa market. Oh, ayun na yung bagong kasal guys. Oh, ayun guys. Ayun. Yung dalawa guys. Ayun. See you guys to my next video. Ayun guys, si Baba guys, nagbabalot ng
Yes.
Ayan,
Hello.
guys.
How are you?
Oh, how are you daw sabi ni Baba guys.
See? You are not to mix them like this and no?
Yeah. For my vlog, Baba.
Okay, no?
I want to
See?
make vlog
You mix-
inside the market.
You mix them like this, see? So there.
No need
One this
custard.
side, no.
Wow,
Again,
Baba
one
intelligence
same like
guys.
that.
Si Baba
Okay.
intelligence.
No need to start there.
No, after inside showing.
Closing.
Just
Only one there.
Mashallah.
Okay, go on.
Aywan, galing ni Baba guys, oh.
See?
Diba?
Okay, no?
Okay, you put
Okay,
there,
Baba.
Baba. You put there, Baba.
Ah. You want it?
Here also in the middle, here.
Too much.
Wala, you just put. Later we will drink.
Okay,
Yeah,
5
thank you,
gram.
Baba.
5 gram, okay?
Say bye-bye.